Now I'm going to check for a category 1 pelvic issue. Okay, so I have my good indicator muscle, which is the hamstring. Now could you place both hands here on the SI joints and hold, and that would be weak. So now let me see which one's primary. Could you place this hand on top of here? Hold. That's strong. So could you switch to the right? The left. And hold. And that was weak. So the left side is the primary. Now let me check and see if our first rib is tender. Is it tender? No. Okay, no first rib tenderness. So now we found that the left side was the primary. I'm going to rebound challenge on the left PSIS and the right issue. Hold. And that stayed strong. And I'm going to rebound challenge on the right PSIS and the left issue. Hold. And that goes weak. So I know I need to block on the left trochanter and the right issue. Okay. And I'm going to do a pump assist 10 times, not on the primary side and not over a block. So I'll be on the right PSIS and I'll do a pump assist. And like I said, I'll do this 10 times. And since there wasn't any first rib tenderness, I don't have to recheck. But now I'll do, put both hands here. TL and hold. And it's strong. And now I'm going to slowly remove the blocks. And hold. And it's still strong.